We're going to explore bridging traditional card payments with stablecoin settlements. And now, to learn more about this topic, I would like to invite Mr. Michael Ho, Regional Product Director, the Payment Cards Group Limited. Let's give a warm welcome to Michael.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Michael from Payments Card Group, PCG. It is my pleasure to share our pilot project, Card Settlement in Stablecoin. With Hong Kong's Stablecoin Ordinance, we welcome this forward-looking regulatory framework. According to HKMA, regulated stablecoins are expected next year. Our pilot prepares the infrastructures for that futures. So how the existing card ecosystem can complement the regulated stablecoins. We don't issue or offer any stablecoin in Hong Kong. This is purely about the infrastructure and process design. Enable the card settlement to operate seamlessly on the blockchain rail. So to start with, our company PCG powers payment acceptance across Hong Kong and the region under our brands AVA, our cloud-based card processing platform. YetPay, Hong Kong's first non-bank acquirer directly connected with Visa, MasterCard, etc., as well as the card issuer and bank business partner. BBMSL serves over 30,000 merchants, expanding our acquiring reach. AppyPay, our innovative soft POS solution that let merchants accept the card payments via mobile. Altogether, they form PCG's end-to-end capability, from processing, merchant acquiring, card issuing, to mobile acceptance. This is the foundation behind this stablecoin pilot. Today's card settlement, especially cross-border, remains slow, costly, and opaque. Payments move through multiple intermediaries, acquirers, banks, networks, and issuers, adding over 48 hours of delay. FX conversions and SWIFT fee often take 3% or more of the transactions. Reconciliation is manual and the chargeback is complex. In short, the system is not built for the real-time programmable payments, exactly where blockchain and stablecoin settlement can transform efficiency. Our vision is to bridge the traditional payments with Web3 infrastructures, ready for Hong Kong's regulated stablecoin. These pilots upgrade our settlement layer with blockchain efficiency while keeping the merchant's experience unchanged. Our goal is faster settlement, lower cost, and full transparency. So let's look at how the future stablecoin flow work in practice. When an Australian tourist pays one of the PCG's merchants in Hong Kong, the payments still go through the same processor and the issuing bank verifications. And the difference comes at the settlement layer. Instead of using the SWIFT transfer and the bank's FX conversions, the PCG Reserve convert the AUD 200 fiat into the Hong Kong dollar stablecoin using a smart contract that's called an oracle to fetch the current FX rate. For example, AUD 200 convert to Hong Kong dollar 1,000 in stablecoins. After deducting a 0.3% gas fee, Hong Kong dollar 997 stablecoin is settled directly to the merchant's wallet. The merchant in Hong Kong receives the fund inside the PCG wallet, near real time, and the transactions is purely recorded on-chain for audit transparency. The merchants can then transfer the stablecoin to the other account. So there will be a network switch provider to transfer the stablecoin out to the banks, and the banks can arrange the tokenized deposit or fiat out via the traditional payment rail. In short, this model keeps all existing payments and network rules, but we imagine the settlement layer transforming into a real-time, transparent transaction flow. Traditional settlement takes 2 to 3 days with high FX and SWIFT costs. Our stablecoin model competes in under 5 seconds at 90% lower cost with on-chain transparency. It enables real-time reconciliation, programmable payments, and cross-border scalability, all within the Hong Kong's regulated framework. This project was conducted under the Cyberport blockchain and digital assets pilot subsidy scheme led by PCG, with JETCO as a sponsor and advisor, and also special thanks to Dr. Deng, Kita, and Dr. Kip Lau for their technical and business guidance. This pilot simulated an Australia to Hong Kong transactions using stablecoin within a controlled test environment. So we built the blockchain network, merchant wallet, and the portal dashboard to visualize the settlement flow and collecting the merchant feedback for validation. So we deployed our POC on Ethereum layer 2 using Chainlink, oracles to simulate the ethics. All gateway operations ran through the PCG PCI combined APIs. And in our transaction simulation, we processed over 100 test transactions, totaling more than 100,000 in Hong Kong dollar stablecoins. Each settlement completed under 5 seconds, and the system can handle over 100,000 transactions per hour at peak load. Over 5 merchants, including Hong Kong Broadband, Big Boss Taxi, Yachts Insurance, joined our pilot, experiencing the new settlement flow. So we developed a merchant wallet app connected to the blockchain settlement layer. Merchants can check their Hong Kong dollar stablecoin balances, transaction history, and make wallet-to-wallet transfers. What's important is that the wallet doesn't change the merchant experience. It simply adds the transparency and instant visibility to the settlement they already received today through our acquiring platform. So in the future, the stablecoin can be transferred out via the blockchain network provider, and they can be converted to the tokenized deposits in banks or via out. The final component of our pilot is the merchant portal dashboard, which acts as the control tower for settlement visibility and reconciliations. So through this dashboard, merchants and our internal operations team can track every transaction in real time. And each record shows the on-chain transaction hash, timestamp, amount, and status, directly pulled from the blockchain APIs. And the system merges on-chain data such as the settlement confirmations with off-chain merchant information, allowing us to provide complete and auditable reporting. So in the dashboard, merchants can verify settlement within seconds of the payment authorization, with the options to export the data for reconciliation. Altogether, the wallet app and the dashboard demonstrate how the stablecoin settlement can enhance both the user experience and operational efficiency, also keeping the process compliant and transparent. For the live demo, please visit our booth. We will show you the whole user journey. To summarize our findings and next step, this pilot proved the blockchain-based settlement can be stable, fast, and compliant. On the technical side, the hybrid model worked well, and we provide the scalability for future regulated environments. Our next step is to expand into multi-currency support. From an operational perspective, merchants didn't need to change their workflow. The system simply adds the real-time visibility and instant reconciliations to the existing payment experience. And we will further enhance our API and audit tools. On the regulatory front, our design will support the Hong Kong positions as a regulated settlement hub. And finally, from a commercial and ecosystem view, merchants clearly recognize the benefits of speed and lower cost. And we will extend the pilots with more merchants in different sectors and explore collaborations with banks, card networks, and fintech partners to scale up the adoption. So all these combined insights set the foundation from moving from proof of concept to real-world readiness. Finally, we believe that with regulated stablecoin and industry collaborations, Hong Kong can lead the next chapter of the digital settlement innovation. And on behalf of PCGs, I would like to thank Cyberport, JETCO, and all our advisors and partners who have contributed to this journey. We look forward to working with many of you in bridging the bridge between today's payment and tomorrow's financial infrastructure. So please visit our booth for more details. Thank you for your attention.